Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to choose jobs to show on Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com/preferences. Let's enter it right now. Do note that the setting is quite hidden, but not anymore. Right here there's something like jobs, and just below it, job age. Click on the drop down and select the jobs posted within 15 days, 7 days, 3 days and more. Select the one which is most appropriate to you. And just below, there's something like distance. Let's click on this drop down, and there are lots of options like this, like 5 miles, 10 miles and everything. Select the one which is most appropriate. Simply scroll down and click on Save Preferences. Now it says our preferences have been saved. Well guys, that's it. That's how we choose which jobs to show on Indeed. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.